What's up, everyone? It's Nicole from Toujours coming at you guys with a little update on our YouTube channel. We are here in the beautiful Sonoma County, not coming at you from Pasadena because of our unique situation where we had to relocate for the time being as we shelter in place to just give us distance from my husband, who is working in the hospitals on the front lines right now. So we thought, while we're all in this together, staying at home and being safe, we thought we'd give you guys a little bit of a change on our channel and do short, easy recipes you can do with your family at home. Videos that are going to be fun and interactive and something that the whole family can do and also fill your tummies and your hearts. We really want to give you guys some fun things and hopeful things to do during this time that will entertain everybody. So please tune in. Thank you again for subscribing and liking our other videos. Make sure you also check in to our lives on Mondays at 10 Pacific Standard Time. If there is anything specific you guys want to see, please comment below. We are here for it. Let's do this together and make a whole list of videos during this time that we can all share, and you guys can totally pick the topics. This will be the fun part, is all of the interaction. So join in and let's have a party. Baking party, oh baking party.